Your iPhone has some great security features, like a lock and disable function that helps to keep your data safe. If the wrong passcode is entered too many times, your iPhone might be disabled. Don't panic. You'll get another chance to try again in a little while. But if you can't remember the passcode, that little while really won't help. So let me show you how to reset your passcode if you accidentally forgot it. You have a few options, but they all involve erasing your iPhone, either wirelessly or using a computer, and restoring it using a backup. Let's walk through both options. Let's start with erasing it wirelessly. You'll need your Apple ID and password. Also, make sure your iPhone is connected to either a Wi-Fi network or to a strong cell signal because you'll need internet to do this. All right, back to this wrong passcode screen. At the bottom, tap the Erase iPhone option. Read through the info, and if you're ready to proceed, tap on Erase iPhone again. On the next screen, type your Apple ID password. The process will begin. When it's done, walk through the setup process to restore your iPhone from a backup, and you'll be set to go. We have another video that shows how to restore your phone with a backup, and there's a link in the notes below. All right, now let's talk about restoring your iPhone using a computer. You'll do this by putting your iPhone in recovery mode, which allows you to reset it so you can set it up again. You can do this with a Mac or a PC with Windows 10 or later that has iTunes installed and set up. And, of course, you can always visit your local Best Buy store for help. Okay, make sure the phone is off. Connect the USB cable that came with your iPhone to your computer. Don't plug the phone in quite yet. Different models will have a different button that needs to be held when putting the iPhone in recovery mode. For the iPhone SE first generation, the iPhone 6S, and earlier iPhones, you'll press and hold the home button. For the iPhone 7 and 7 Plus, you'll hold down the volume down button. For the iPhone 8, 8 Plus, 10 and later, including the iPhone SE second generation, you'll press and hold the side button. Since we're using an iPhone 14 Pro, we'll use this method. Now, hold the correct button for your iPhone while immediately connecting your iPhone to the USB cable that is plugged into your computer. Make sure you don't let go of the button. Hold the button until you see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone, then let go of the button. If you see the passcode screen, you'll have to turn your iPhone off and start again. Once you see the recovery mode screen on your iPhone, you're ready to restore. If you're using a Mac with macOS Catalina or later, find the iPhone in the Finder window. If you're using a PC, open iTunes. Find your iPhone in Finder or iTunes. If using Finder, you'll see the name of your device in the sidebar of the window. Click on it. If using iTunes, you'll see an icon of your iPhone in the upper left corner of the iTunes window. Click on it. When you see the option to restore or update, choose Restore, and that will start the erasing process along with your passcode. During this process, your computer will download software to complete the restoring process. If, for some reason, your iPhone exits the recovery mode screen, let the download finish. Turn off your iPhone and start the restoration process again. When the process is finished, disconnect your iPhone from the computer and go through the setup process by restoring a backup from iCloud or your computer. Again, we have another video with instructions on how to do that. There's a link in the notes below. And there you have it. If this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips from Best Buy. Thanks for watching.